Yoruba Nation.
No going back.
Yoruba Nation.
No going back.
Yoruba Nation.
No going back.
Àwa kí onílé, a kí àlejò. We are here to thank President Biden, all the senators, secretaries of state, House of Reps, House of Senate, to please help us in Yoruba land. We have endured, we have suffered, we have tried since 1914, no solution. We'd like to present this presentation, which way forward for Yoruba Nation. We are not Malcolm X, we are not Marcus Garvey, we are even not Martin Luther King Jr., we are not Robert Mugabe, we are not Kenneth Kaunda,
Yes, sir.
we are even not Mandela,
Yes, sir.
we are not Patrick Lumumba,
Yeah.
we were not Kwame Nkrumah,
Oh, yes.
even we were not Barack Obama,
Man, yes,
we
sir.
are not Thomas Sankara,
Yes, sir.
we are not Sawumbi, we were not Samara Michaud, we are even not Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe,
Oh, yes.
neither are we Tafawa Balewa.
Oh, yes.
We are even not Chief Obafemi Awolowo.
Zion.
Now, who are we?
Yes, sir.
We are the students of these people that breathe freedom, fight and conquer to see their own people free of shackles.
Yes, sir.
To those that are my own people, but still keep helping these bourgeois of the world.
Yes.
These bourgeois of the world.
Yes.
It is time, irrespective of whatever shape, the creed or color they are in, it is time for them to stop honoring themselves because their time is coming to an end.
Yes. Bewure le ku oku. Bewure le ku oku. Àwọn ò lè kọ́ bí àgùntàn náà kọ́ bí ẹran. Bewure le ku oku.
We are Yoruba descendants that need control of our own region, control of our own nation, control of our own culture, control of our own economy, control of our own safety,
Oh, yes.
control of our own development,
Yes.
as it has been done
Oh, yes.
with Obafemi Awolowo,
Yes, sir. A great man.
1954 to 1959.
Oh, yes.
Yoruba, we have done this before.
Oh, yes.
History definitely will repeat itself.
Yes, sir.
Let me thank those that have spoken before me. I will now go directly to the educated members of the Nigerian House of Representatives, Nigerian House of Senate, and even the President, and all the well-meaning Nigerians
Yes. Yes.
that have benefited from the sweat of Chief Obafemi Awolowo,
Oh, yes.
that have benefited from the sweat of Tafawa Balewa,
Oh, yes.
that have benefited from the sweat of Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe.
Oh, yes.
That it is time for us to follow the footsteps of these three people
Oh, yes.
who has won us an independence.
Tinubu for them. Boga! Boga! Boga!
What will be the legacy of our present leadership?
Yes, sir.
Unemployment, mass killing,
Yes.
advanced poverty,
We don't want that.
no motorable roads,
We don't want that.
complete nepotism,
We want the best for our people.
blatant bribery and corruption,
Oh, yes.
complete inefficiency in all spheres of government.
Exactly.
At this junction, I propose the only way forward
Yes.
is to create a go back to the federalism,
Yes,
where
sir.
we have the Yoruba Nation,
Yes.
Biafra Nation,
Yes, sir.
and Arewa Nation.
Oh, yes.
This is likely to be the solution.
Oh, yes.
Right now,